In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mass find and delete duplicate files from OneDrive. So we have two ways to actually do this. So first, head over to Microsoft.com, and under the products, you should be able to find Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is available for personal accounts, so it's actually quite handy. Once you're in there, you can find the create option. So make sure to click onto this create a free account if you want to actually sign up. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to just sign in by clicking onto this icon right here. So on my case, I already have an account, so let me just proceed to sign in. Now here is my actual OneDrive. So you can see in here my details as well as my files. Now, if you want to actually mass find and delete duplicate files, the first method involves doing the native way directly on your OneDrive. To do this, click on this gear icon. From in there, you can find this option. Here we have the percentage of usage from my actual OneDrive. Under that, you can find the manage option. So proceed to click on this manage, and then this should be able to redirect us to the actual storage file on your actual OneDrive. You can see right here this option. So we have in here our storage summary, and you can see this option to free up space. So click onto this OneDrive under free up space, and from in there you can find all the largest files available and view them directly. So it's now sorted by size. You can just proceed to actually choose right here the details or the file that you want to delete. From in there, proceed to delete or mass delete them if you want. You can also choose how many are to be selected and clear them, and then proceed to delete this particular files that we have right here in order to duplicate or delete them. Another method to mass delete is to actually go over to CC Cleaner in order to delete and integrate it directly on your OneDrive. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.